Got a DFR file for film effects in your video editing project? This preset format applies professional looks to your footage. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with Digital Film Tools DFX presets. If you frequently deal with unusual DFR file types, a universal file viewer is an essential tool. We'll cover exactly the one I use and recommend later in the walkthrough. A .dfr file stores user-created presets and settings for Digital Film Tools DFT software, a suite of visual effects, plugins for video and photo editing. Users create these files to save custom filter combinations, color corrections, and effects, allowing them to quickly reapply complex looks across different projects. The .dfr file is likely a proprietary binary or structured text, like XML, JSON, format. This design allows the DFT plugin to efficiently store a wide range of complex parameter values, such as slider positions, color values, and effect chains, ensuring that presets are loaded quickly and accurately within the host application. The preferred application for managing the DFR file is Digital Film Tools DFX from Digital Film Tools. Native Windows association often leads to errors due to the file's complexity and proprietary format. Windows can sometimes show them as text, but changing values should be done carefully. We're going to use the list of installed programs to find the match. Right-click your DFR file, then click Open With. Test Digital Film Tools DFX if you see it. If it fails, select the next program. Methodical testing works. If your DFR file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. Since this DFR is a niche format, we can't assume a simple fix. Don't worry, we'll quickly check these key details to find where the error lies. First, importing in DFX. Open the DFX plugin within your video editing host application and access the preset interface. Import DFR files through the preset import function pointing to the DFR file location. The preset becomes available for application to clips with single-click access for consistent effects styling. Next, applying to footage. Apply imported DFR presets to video clips through the DFX plugin interface. The effects render in real-time or near real-time, depending on system performance and clip complexity. Adjust preset parameters as needed for clip-specific customization, while maintaining the overall preset character. Finally, building preset libraries. Organize DFR presets into named categories within the DFX plugin for efficient access during editing sessions. Build comprehensive preset libraries, reflecting your visual style preferences across various project types. Distribute custom DFR files to team members, ensuring consistent visual styling across collaborative video productions. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like File Magic, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagic.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.